Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Klein GFCI tester is probably one of the most important safety tools you can own, ensuring your home's electrical system is up to code and protecting you from potentially dangerous electrical shocks. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about this life-saving device, from its key features and functionalities to how to use it effectively and accurately, so you can confidently test your GFCI outlets and ensure your family's safety. Number 5. Klein Tools E310. Finding the right breaker can be a real hassle. But with this tool, you can quickly and precisely locate it, making electrical troubleshooting a breeze. It's a simple two-part system. Connect the transmitter to your outlet and use the receiver to scan your breaker panel. It's that easy. No more guesswork. It gives you clear visual and audible signals when you found the correct breaker. You'll know instantly. This works on most standard circuits and includes a built-in GFCI outlet tester for added safety. It's versatile and reliable. The transmitter conveniently stores inside the receiver, keeping everything together and easy to carry. Plus, it's designed to work with standard North American outlets. What we like. This tool helps you quickly find the correct breaker in your electrical panel. It's a two-part system for accurate identification, and it even includes a built-in GFCI outlet tester for added safety. If you frequently troubleshoot electrical issues and need to locate breakers efficiently, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The transmitter doubles as a circuit tester to ensure that your wiring is correct. This is handy in that it shows you if the outlet is wired properly, and I like the GFCI tester function. The breaker detector was easy enough to use and helps ID circuits where labels have faded or just don't exist. It got the correct breaker. Number 4. Klein Tools RT250 Tester. This innovative tester makes electrical testing safer and easier than ever before. Its clear display and intuitive design help you quickly identify and resolve wiring issues. See voltage readings and wiring conditions at a glance. The large, backlit LCD makes it easy to read, even in low-light conditions. It shows you exactly how long it takes a GFCI device to trip. This helps you troubleshoot problems quickly and accurately. This tool helps you identify common wiring problems, ensuring electrical safety and proper functionality of your outlets. Its innovative design detects open, neutral and ground faults, enhancing safety measures and preventing potential hazards. The auto-hold function keeps the reading on the screen, even when you move it away from the outlet. This is perfect for hard-to-reach locations. Bright green and red LEDs provide clear visual indicators of wiring conditions, making it easy to spot problems. With its CAT 2135V safety rating, you can confidently use it for various electrical testing applications, knowing that it's built for safety. What we like. This tester features a clear LCD display showing voltage and trip time, making troubleshooting a breeze. It also detects common wiring faults, ensuring electrical safety. If you value clear visual feedback and quick diagnostics, this is the best option for you. What people say. It had a better design, around the same size as the basic version, nice and bright display, but most important of all, it is accurate. I can test GFCI outlets and get the voltage readout for any outlet in my home. This Klein GFCI outlet tester provides a digital reading just like a multimeter with just plug-in, which is safer. The extra function of checking correct wiring is a plus because I replaced 2 old GFCI outlets, and this helped double-check my work for safety as well as testing if the GFCI trip function works or not. As an electrician, I find this device to be efficient and informative. Like any other plug tester, it tells you if the wiring is done correctly, but when wiring a new house we have to test to make sure voltage is correct in an outlet as well. With some of the larger homes that are built these days, you can imagine how tiresome they can get going around with a voltmeter testing 80 to 200 outlets. This device makes that task quick and easy. Number 3. Klein Tools RT210 Tester. This handy tool is a game changer for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. It quickly identifies wiring problems in standard and GFCI outlets, ensuring safety and peace of mind. It pinpoints common wiring issues in both standard and GFCI receptacles. This helps prevent electrical hazards and ensures everything is working correctly. It seamlessly works with GFCI outlets, verifying their proper operation. You can rest assured your ground fault protection is functioning as it should. This tester is incredibly durable, it can handle a drop from over 6 feet. It's built to withstand tough conditions on any job site. It performs reliably in a wide range of temperatures, from freezing to well above room temperature. You can use it in various climates and environments. It's designed for standard North American voltages, ensuring compatibility with most outlets. It's ready to use in various settings. It provides fast and reliable results, helping you identify problems quickly and efficiently. You'll get accurate readings every time. By using this tester, you can verify proper wiring and operation, promoting safety at home or at work. It's an essential tool for electrical safety. What we like. It efficiently detects wiring problems in standard and GFCI outlets. It's built tough to withstand drops and impacts. Testing is quick and reliable. If you need a rugged and reliable tester for everyday use, this is the one for you. What people say. Does exactly what it should do, and does it pretty good at the same time. Easy to use and find whether an outlet is hot or even worse, badly wired. Help me troubleshoot a bad functioning outlet with ease. It quickly identifies wiring issues in GFCI and standard outlets, giving me peace of mind. The clear display makes it easy to understand the results. The instructions were plainly written and easy to follow. Number 2. Klein Tools RT310 Tester. It detects common wiring faults in standard, AFCI, and GFCI outlets, ensuring thorough testing and safety. This makes identifying problems quick and easy. Test your AFCI devices by simulating arc fault conditions. It provides accurate evaluation and helps with troubleshooting. Simulate ground fault conditions to reliably assess GFCI functionality. It helps ensure your outlets are working correctly and safely. It can even detect a dual open wiring fault with simultaneously open neutral and ground wires. This is thanks to its patent-pending technology. It gives you a clear visual indication of the wiring condition. This makes identifying issues simple and straightforward. Designed for North American-style grounded outlets in 120V AC circuits. It's compatible with most standard outlets. The 10-inch flexible cord gives you access to outlets in hard-to-reach places. This makes testing more convenient. What we like. This advanced tester checks AFCI and GFCI outlets thoroughly, even detecting dual open wiring faults. The clear visual indicators make identifying problems simple. If you need comprehensive testing capabilities and peace of mind, this is your best bet. What people say. Looks great. Works great. Pretty accurate for a cheap tester. Easy to use for novice. Bought this to do load testing on old non-grounded outlets. Won't work by itself. I made a male to make ground plug, see picture. Just need a grounded outlet somewhere, use extension cord and plug into bottom side of same outlet. Worked fine, can also use this setup to test GFCI and AFCI. I like that it has 2 AFCI settings. Also the flexible cord allows you to use it in tight spaces. Number 1. Klein Tools ED45VP Electrical Kit. This kit provides comprehensive electrical testing capabilities, from basic voltage checks to advanced GFCI outlet testing. It's designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It accurately measures AC voltages from 24V to 240V and DC voltages from 32V to 330V. This wide range ensures you're covered for most electrical applications. Conveniently located test lead holders make testing tamper-resistant outlets a breeze. They also provide secure storage when not in use. It's powered directly by the voltage being tested, eliminating the need for batteries. This ensures you're always ready to test. With Cat 3350V rating, double insulation, and IP44 ingress protection, it prioritizes your safety. It's built to withstand tough conditions. The included receptacle tester quickly identifies common wiring problems in standard and GFCI outlets. This helps prevent electrical hazards. It's fully compatible with GFCI outlets, verifying their proper operation. This ensures your safety when working with ground fault protection. This versatile tool combines accurate voltage testing, built-in safety features, and receptacle testing capabilities. It's a must-have for any electrical project. What we like. It tests a wide range of AC and DC voltages without needing batteries. It also includes receptacle testing for added functionality. If you need a versatile and powerful tester for various applications, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Works great and as intended. Can't get much better than this. For the reviewers who said the leads are too short, that's because there is a protective piece over them which only exposes the tips of the leads. Simply slide off the cover and the rest of the leads will be exposed. Convenient size. Easy to operate and read. Sturdy. Los materiales son de buena calidad y son fáciles de usar. Permite verificar si la instalación eléctrica se encuentra correctamente instalada. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.